Okay, so we're going to inspect the distributor block and gear, and this is it here. So these are the towers, these four plastic things here. There's one tower for each spark plug lead, or each high tension lead. One of the things we check is that the brass contact inside in the tower is bright and not corroded or otherwise damaged. You'll notice also there's holes here for the timing pin marked left and right. Okay, so it's not possible to put the timing pin in the wrong hole, insofar as you can't put the pin through the left hole in the housing or the distributor block and through the right hole in the distributor gear, because they're at different radii, so it's not possible to make that mistake. However, it is of course possible to mistakenly put the timing pin in the left hole when it's actually a right hand rotation magneto, so that's a mistake that's easily made. Okay, so this part here is the bearing bar, and this is the shield. This shield faces the distributor or the rotor gear. There's a bushing located in the distributor bar. There's a second bushing located in the distributor block, and these are oil light bearings which are lubricated in the factory at initial manufacture, but at a 500 hour inspection they do need to be re-lubricated. Okay, so you've got four brass posts here in the distributor block, and these have to be checked for wear, corrosion and burning. Also, you're checking the inside surface for any deposits of dust, oil, and any evidence of tracking or arcing. And any such deposits, of course, have to be cleaned off, removed. Then the distributor gear itself. There is actually a slick service bulletin SB1-15B which applies here, and there it is. And these are the important details. So this rotor distributor gear is an old style distributor gear with the copper electrode finger. Now it's been superseded by a mono electrode finger, i.e. a silver coloured electrode. In all cases the electrode finger has to be checked for looseness. The carbon brush, which is here, which is spring loaded, should be replaced in a 500 hour inspection. It has to have a minimum free length of 19/64 of an inch for the carbon part, and the spring itself has to have a free length of 19/32 of an inch. And this is an actual new spring, new brush and spring. Okay, so the bushing minimum diameter is 0.246 of an inch plus 0.002 of an inch or minus 0.001. So plus or minus 2 or 1/1000th of an inch. The shaft diameter, it has to be 0.242 inches plus 3/10,000ths of an inch or minus 1/10,000th of an inch. So we check this bushing internal diameter using a bore gauge, which we insert in there, get the internal diameter of the bush, and then measure across the 2 points of contact of the bore gauge using a micrometer, and in this case it's 0.246 of an inch. So as part of a 500 hour inspection, we have to re-lubricate these bushings. So we do that by adding some slick R5008 oil and then baking the parts in an oven for 2 to 3 hours at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's basically the distributor part of the inspection.